Solving quadratic equation can be so overwhelming, especially when you have the one with high coefficients. Don't worry, I'm going to give you an easy trick on how to solve it in 5 seconds. Now, the first step is here, get the factors of 23. We have the factors of 23 as 28 minus 5, because when you remove 5 from 28, you are going to get 23. So the second step is what? Change the signs of the factors. Here we now have negative 28, then we now have positive 5. Then go ahead and divide it with the coefficient of s squared. We now have it as 35, 35. So 28 divided by 35 is going to give you negative 4 over 5. Then 5 divided by 35 is going to give you 1 over 7. So negative 4 over 5 and 1 over 7 becomes the root of this quadratic equation. Let's go to the next example. Okay, this is 13x squared minus 71x minus 42. You can see that this quadratic equation has a high coefficient. So what are we going to do? The same thing. We're going to get a factor of negative 71. What are the factors? We're going to have negative 78 and positive 7. So when you see you have negative 78 plus 7, you are going to get 71. So what we're going to do, the second step is we are going to change the sign of the factors. So we're going to have here positive 78 and we're going to have negative 7. So we go ahead and divide with the coefficient of s squared, which is 13. Here we now have 78 divided by 13, and here negative 7 divided by 13. So if you do that, so 78 divided by 13 is going to give you 6. Then we have negative 7 over 13. So this happens to be the root of this quadratic equation. Now, please, one thing you have to note is when you are trying to find these factors of 71, make sure that when you multiply it, it's also going to give you the same value as when you multiply 13 and 42. Thank you. See you in the next class.